As of April 2022, a year ago, CBP implemented the Simplified Arrival at all 238 arriving airports, 34 sea airports, and at all southern pedestrian and most northern secondary land ports. Now, as of March 2022, all current I-94s and history of land entries are now entered into the I-94 online system, and CBP has stopped issuing paper I-94s altogether. The goal is to streamline and digitize the legal entry process. Okay, there's some issues with this process. Number one, stampless entry is a little bit challenging, especially where non-immigrant visa holders want to prove to USCIS issues concerning their maintenance of status. Number two, the CBP I-94 online system is not always accurate. And sometimes always an accurate record of international travel is helpful for tax purposes to show residence. Additionally, Social Security Agency, SSA, and state DMVs, driver and motor vehicle, they often ask to see admission ink stamp to verify status in order to give people license, and so it will be hard to kind of confirm some of these things with these agencies. Please note that despite the fact that there's no ink stamp, CBP indicates that they will continue to stamp passports upon requests. So if you want your passport stamped, ask them. Tip 1, foreign national, you must always download your I-94 from the CBP online system, as well as check your I-94 history each time you enter into the US. And then you promptly take action to make necessary corrections where it's applicable. You can call me if you need help. Tip number 2, for lawful permanent residents, that's green card holders, their entries are normally not tracked. They're not tracked at all in the CBP I-94 online system, which is for foreign nationals. So this can become an issue at the naturalization stage because lawful permanent residents have the burden to prove their absences or travels. So if you're a green card holder, each time you're coming into the US, request an admission ink stamp, and hopefully that will be helpful to you. Additionally, you should try to have other types of evidence like your itinerary, travel, your flight status emails, hotel, and other travel receipts, so that if you don't have that ink stamped in your passport by CBP, you'll still be able to prove that you are, you were in the US at a certain point in time. Okay, all the best, and follow me for more.